Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel and I like to help people find a sense of calm. I created this channel to share tips and tools for mental health and well-being and voice techniques for meditation and healing. For the last couple of days we've been working through the seed sounds of the bija mantra. So far we've just done the base chakra and the sacral chakra. The sounds being lung and vang. And today I'm going to introduce two more sounds. Rung for the solar plexus and yang for the heart. So the solar plexus, rung, doesn't have to be a rolled R, it can just be a normal R, rung. And the heart center, yang, yang. So remember, before we start making the sounds, just set yourself up so that you can get the most from the sounds. So first of all, make sure that for the next 10 minutes that you're here with me. You try and leave behind, kind of bracket off anything that you were worrying about for today, or plans or concerns from yesterday or last week or last month. Just bracket them off for now and just be here now, just for the sake of these 10 minutes. So before we start making the sounds, we're going to come into the present moment using our listening, and then we're going to take our attention to our breathing before we start making the sounds. But just to introduce the two new sounds to you first. So you can either do a slow repetition or a fast repetition. So the first new sound is rung or rung. So the fast repetition would be like this. Rung, 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 rung. Or you could repeat it slowly like this. Rung, rung, rung. You don't have to roll the R, so don't worry about that. And then the heart center, yang, 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 yang. And the fast repetition would be like this. Yang, 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 yang. Okay? So we'll now get into the right space to make the sounds. So begin by bringing your attention to your listening, bringing your awareness to your listening. And then just focus on your breath for 3 inhalations. Don't change it, you don't have to alter it. Just become aware of your breathing for 3 breaths. So the first sound is rung. We're going to make each sound twice. Rung, 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 rung. Rung, 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 rung. And now, yang, yang. Yang, 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 yang. Yang, 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 yang. And now we'll finish our sounds for today by making 3 ohms. So if you want to take this meditation to another layer, if you want to incorporate another layer, you can visualize the colours for the chakras while making the sound. So today, the colour for the solar plexus chakra is yellow, and for the heart is green. So if when you're making the sounds you want to kind of visualize those colours, that can just add a whole nother layer to the meditation and kind of make it stronger. So yesterday I created a video about deep belly breathing. You know, deep belly breathing is super powerful. It's really worth having a look. I'd really encourage you to have a look at that video and have a go at some deep belly breathing. The thing I want to emphasise, which I don't think I emphasised enough in the video yesterday, is when you're focusing on the breath, breathing down into your belly, your focus needs to be on the breath. So if you're focusing on the breath as you're breathing in through your nose, into the belly, you cannot be thinking. As you're breathing out through your mouth, keep the focus on the breath. So you may find as you're practicing the deep belly breathing, you keep pinging back into the mind. But just bring the attention back to the breath over and over and over again. I remember when I first started practicing deep belly breathing, it felt like hundreds of times I had to keep coming back to the breath because I would just ping back into my mind because I was in the habit of doing that. But if you keep practicing and just keep bringing the attention back to the breath, you create that pause, that interruption in the thoughts, and that becomes easier the more you practice it, and it also begins to spill out into the rest of your day. So thank you very much for being here with me. I really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed the video, please like and share, maybe drop me a comment, I would love that, and perhaps hit subscribe. But I'm trying to grow this community and reach people who may be helped. Because if people are suffering from anxiety or depression or struggling at the moment, this type of voice work can be really helpful. So please spread the word, I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much for being with me. I will be back very soon. Bye bye for now.